Hi everyone, I'm back again to show you about the pop-on veneers. I've been wearing them for a while now, maybe about, roughly about a month now. And I can say from wearing them, they are a game changer. If you haven't got yours, you need to truly go get them. Reason I got mine was because I suffer with lupus and I've lost teeth in between there. And I love to smile, I love to talk, and I'm conscious of my mouth. And I have my teeth down here, but not a bit. So, I got these. Well, I looked into getting these. And I can say, like I said before, they are a game changer. I went through the process of the molding, and as I said before, I did have a problem with the molding at first. So they sent me, I reached out to the company sent me back a molding set, and I got it within a couple days, and I was able to do it again. But with the molding, it turned out, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. The whole process, it was like I was walking on eggshells, sitting on eggshells, doing the whole thing like, oh, this is not going to work. It's not going to work. Well, when I got the package, it came in the mail. I was so excited. That's all I can say. So I looked at the molding and I looked at the teeth. The teeth, I was like, okay, I wonder how these things are going to look. And this is actually the top. And I was looking, I was like, I do kind of resemble. So I was like, okay, let me try them. So this was it. This is all I did. Look at that. And look at how my bottom teeth are. Look at these. Look at that. Now I'm going to put on the bottom ones, which are right here. And I was looking at how the structure is out there created and everything. Look at that. And look at my bottom teeth. And look at this. Look at how that is there. Look. I mean, that is wonderful. Wonderfully made. But they will go this way, actually. But just showing you up close and personal. Look at that. And then look at how mine are down there. Now watch this. Oh. Oh. There you go. You got to get them in there. They do go right in. I don't know what I was doing, but look at that. These are a game changer. Pros about this, you can get your smile on, your talk on, smile big, laugh, do it all. And you're not, and with myself, I'm not going through the motions of or talking and still like cover my mouth. I can actually talk and continue to talk. And look at that. Look at how the structure, look at how that's created right there. That looks so natural. Look at that. So when they say with the molding, make sure you really do that, because that's where they get this line to mold it. And it was like as if I went to the dentist and they actually did it for me. I do wear them throughout the day. I don't go to sleep in them. I've eaten with them, but I wouldn't recommend. I'm going to tell you certain things not to eat, as I have found out. For one, hard candy. No. Don't go biting down on something, because you will produce a hole. You can produce a hole or wear them down. So be careful, be vigilant. Just know that these are temporary. They're not your permanent teeth. This is something temporary to work with. Sleeping with, everybody has their own preference. I don't choose to sleep with them. I put them At night, I'll put them in the solution. Drop the little tablet in there, get some water, let them soak for the duration for the night. Brush them like I brush my teeth, and put them back on and go on about my day. And that's it. I haven't, I have people look at, in the very beginning, you're probably self-conscious about thinking, like, if you see people looking at your mouth, you're probably like, oh my goodness, they can tell. They can't tell. Not unless they get up on you and they're like, oh wow, she has veneers or she has fake teeth in. No, they can't tell. They can't tell. Trust me. I love them, and I sit back and I tell you, if you haven't reached out, this is an investment you would want to invest in. I was skeptical for a while, even went with another company, and no, it did not match up to these. Look at that. I would say, don't waste your time. Get your pop on veneers. Do that. Don't waste your time at all. When I do my reviews and I tell people, I don't sugarcoat. I let you know how it is. If they don't work, they don't work. I'm going to tell you, these work, and I'm not saying it to receive anything or do anything. I'm telling you, these are a game changer. And so I hope you all reach out and go head on. I mean, there's different ways, and I've seen different options on there. So I know they have payment plans and so forth. So do whatever it is you have to do. Get them. Get your smile on. I'm telling you, get your smile on. You deserve it. And you're all beautiful people. Do what you have to do. Pop on Veneers did their thing. I got my smile. You all take care now.